Select chicken for a rotisserie recipe. Rotisserie cooking is a form of roasting where the meat of an entire animal such as a chicken, turkey, pig, goat, and even cattle is skewered on a long solid rod or spit while being cooked over a fire or roasted in an oven. While the meat is grilled with the lid down in roasting, rotisserie cooking continuously rotates the meat, hence cooking is done evenly and the juices remain in the meat. The term rotisserie is also used to refer to the device used for spit roasting meats. Restaurants that specialize in serving rotisserie are also called the same. Preparing a rotisserie meal will require you to do the rotisserie yourself using rotisserie equipment or purchase meat in the grocery that is already spit roasted. Rotisserie is so popular that you can readily buy rotisserie chicken or other meats in the delis or grocery stores. These cooked meats are ready to be prepared for a rotisserie recipe of your choice. Examples of popular recipes are marinated rotisserie roast, sweet and sour rotisserie chicken roast, rotisserie sesame chicken, Mediterranean chicken salad, and spicy rotisserie chicken among many others. Nevertheless, there are several considerations you need to take into account when buying chicken for your rotisserie recipe. It is important to remember these tips as they can largely affect the quality and taste of your meals. Observe the cleanliness around a store and see if the countertops, knives, and other materials used in the shop are clean. The cleanliness and safety of food the shop is selling is questionable if the surroundings are unhygienic. Always check the label for the time the chicken came off the rotisserie. Fresh rotisserie chicken is fresh out of the oven. If it is already more than an hour, do not get it. Check the moistness of the chicken skin. If it is taut and dry, that means it was left too long in the oven. A tasty rotisserie chicken still has a lot of juices in the meat. Select a chicken that has more meat. Find a large, full-breasted chicken with plump legs. Select plain or flavorless chicken. Flavoring can affect or change the taste of your intended recipe. With plain chicken, you get the accurate taste of your proposed meal. Rotisserie chicken has to be served immediately or refrigerated. If you have to buy more items in the grocery, make it your last stop. Remove the skin from the meat and only cut slices enough for your recipe. Keep the rest of the meat refrigerated. Reheat the spit-roasted chicken if needed prior to mixing it to your recipe. Do not overheat it though so as not to lose the meat's juices. If you wish to learn more rotisserie recipes or process rotisserie cooking yourself, browse the internet for rotisserie devices for sale. Rotisserie equipment designed for restaurant and domestic use are available at online merchants, whereas a host of rotisserie recipes are available for free.